Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the Horn Family TV. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of remodeling for the bathroom and the room, but first the bathroom. So this is what we have so far. This is our bathroom. I kind of start painting a little bit, but you know. This is what we have, kind of empty. These are the supplies you'll need. I went ahead and got my paint, okay, the Glidden, and you can get that mixed up at Home Depot. This is a quart, which was about, I think it was like $10, $11. Then of course you need your mixing stick here. And this is to open up the can. And then I have this nifty little tool, okay? This gets the edges of your walls and everything, the baseboards and stuff, without actually having to tape up your stuff. So see how that is? Pretty cool, huh? I like it. I already started doing the edges of the restroom. I'm gonna continue to do that, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys. I wanted to show you guys how cool this thing is. So let's see. I mean, isn't that super easy? Love it. So I've kind of already done a lot of the edges already. If you can see, I still have to do that. Clearly I need a ladder for that part. And I'm out of breath. But it's coming along pretty nicely. You guys, I'm tired. But I said I wanted to do it without Xavier. I didn't think it was gonna take me this long, which it hasn't been that long. But my God, I mean, one wall down, almost. You guys, I have paint everywhere. Look at me. Anyways, I had to go back, get some more paint so I can finish the job. I finished painting. Let's take a look. Yes! Woohoo! Now that we have the walls all painted, we went ahead and put in a new faucet for the sink. This is what we got from Home Depot. This is the original one. And then here's the pretty new one. Ew. So now we're gonna take out the toilet and we'll be back. These are the toilets in the box. Glacier Bay. Hopefully I said that right. Anyway, let's see how it goes. The toilet up. Ugh. And now we're doing the floors. Babe, how you feeling?
It's moving. It's going fast.
Anything you'd like to say to our YouTubers?
No. Be prepared.
I'm looking good for right now until I have to get my hands dirty. Check out these guys.
I'm back. What are you doing?
Pulling up. What is this?
excess on the vinyl?
Yeah, so we can lay down some good flooring.
All right. Scrape. Tie it up. Clean edges. Leaving no vinyl up under the sink or along the walls.
Okay, so we finally cleaned up the floor the best that we could. So now we're putting down this vinyl peel and stick. Very, very easy. This is the cool gray. We got it from Home Depot. And I'm putting a little bit of this adhesive on the back. And as you can see, it kind of has the arrows, so I'm just kind of following along the arrows. And boom. Easy. Okay, you guys, so we finished the faucet, switched out the faucet, we switched out the toilets, we painted our walls, and we finished the floor. Still doing some decoration, but you know, hey, a little at a time. So here we have our new faucet. Just a couple of decorations, I'm not done yet. We have our nice toilet, our new shower curtain. Our walls are painted white, but bam! Here goes the floor. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. It is everything. Be sure to check out our other videos and make sure to subscribe.